Ever feel like we're living in like a sci-fi movie?
Yeah, sometimes, especially with like all the advancements we've made in like space travel and tech and stuff.
Well, get ready because today we're diving into something that sounds straight out of Hollywood.
Oh, really? What's that?
We're talking space debris.
Space debris.
Yep, and it's a lot bigger deal than a lot of people realize.
I mean, I know it's a thing, but is it really that serious?
Oh, it is. We're not just talking about like a few stray bolts up there.
Yeah.
This is a growing threat.
To what exactly?
Well, to pretty much everything we rely on in space. Think about it.
Okay, I'm thinking.
GPS, getting you to that super important meeting or wherever.
Right, right.
Checking the weather on your phone, watching live TV.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Satellites.
Exactly. All those things were thanks to satellites orbiting our planet.
So you're saying this space debris could mess with all that?
It could. And it's not just like a minor inconvenience either.
Yeah.
We're talking potential for some major disruption.
Like what kind of disrupt?
Well, think about it this way. Imagine you're trying to get somewhere important,
Okay.
relying on your GPS, and suddenly it goes haywire.
Uh-oh.
That's just one example.
Yeah.
But it gets worse.
How much worse?
Imagine space travel becoming too risky
Too risky. How?
because of all the debris. Basically, a cloud of junk circling the Earth.
A cloud of junk. That sounds kind of funny.
It's not funny when you think about what that junk is made of.
What do you mean?
Defunct satellites spent rocket stages,
Ah.
fragments from collisions, basically anything human-made orbiting Earth that's no longer useful.
Okay, and there's a lot of this stuff up there.
Tens of thousands of pieces.
Wow.
Some are as big as a bus.
Seriously.
Others are tiny like flecks of paint.
I guess that makes sense.
But here's the thing. All of it is hurtling through space.
At what speed?
Speeds that make a bullet look slow.
Okay, yeah, that sounds pretty dangerous.
Even a tiny piece of debris can cause catastrophic damage at those speeds.
So like one little paint fleck could take out a satellite?
Potentially. It's not just about size. It's about the speed and the impact.
So what's being done about all this?
Well, there are a few things.
Mm.
Thankfully, there are people way smarter than me working on solutions.
Like what?
Some are developing technologies to capture and remove debris.
Oh wow, like what?
Stuff like space nets, robotic arms, things like that.
Sounds pretty sci-fi.
It is. It's pretty amazing. But there's another side to this, too.
What's that?
International cooperation and space law.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Basically trying to establish guidelines for responsible satellite disposal
Hmm.
and debris mitigation.
Yeah.
Trying to prevent this problem from getting worse.
So is this something countries are actually working together on?
They are. It's a global issue, so it requires a global response.